It is an honor to be here to this special event, which is the high point of the event here, because today celebrates the accomplishments and academic achievements of our children, our completers and graduates. Let us all welcome the graduates.
He was once like you children. Way back in the mid-1980s, he was also the most outstanding pupil in his time in Head Start. Children, parents, teachers, ladies and gentlemen, with pride and honor, for the pupil in Head Start, Dr. Jeffrey Tatanghen, a licensed physical therapist, researcher, and most importantly, a man of God. Please give him a big round of applause.
tutusin, hindi lang po yun tungkol sa award. It was about the people who believed in me, the school that gave me confidence, and most of all, my parents who fully supported me in every step. Today I'm here to share a simple but powerful message. Hindi lang ito sa inyo mga bata, kung hindi pa ako sa mga magulang at sa mga guro. Lahat po tayo partners. Invest in your child's development. Ano man ang track na piliin nila. And support them all the way. Tulad ng ginawa sa akin ng aking magulang. It all started here at Headstart. I have such warm memories of Headstart. You joined the learning, feeling the safe ako to be myself, and the encouragement from my teachers. Ating palangin sila na hindi lang matalino academically, pero matibay. Resilient, nagpapatuloy. Dahil hindi straight line ang buhay.
I believe by God's grace, you will be making your parents proud by becoming any of the persons I mentioned earlier.
By the authority vested in me as the school administrator of Headstart School of Mandaluyong Incorporated, having been presented and duly certified by the Assistant School Administrator that you have